what I'm going to talk to you about is don't ever snore like a horse, because you will, believe me, it's not fun. Because I snored like a horse, and there was like this little fly thing passing by me, and this might be my shortest, but like, really, my thing always slows down. So, boing, doing. Well, in this party, and girls looking. I don't know what's wrong with this truck out here, but it is all messed up because it keeps. Who the crap are you? I swear, if you're pulling in my driveway, I'm gonna kill you. Alright, it's somebody. I don't know who it is. Y'all can't see him. But he's like backing up and going forward, backing up, going forward. I don't know who it was, but it's a little creepy. I'm playing Sims 3. Pretty fun. Alright, this is my longest video. So, what I'm going to do is, I smell the horse, there's like a fly flying by me. I'm like, it went like, it was right here. And like, I sucked it up, and I felt something in my mouth. I woke up, and there was something in my mouth. And I'm like, I spit it out, and there's a fly. I'm like,